Hey everybody, welcome to Crafting with Carla. So I know I'm a crafting channel, and you might think that today's episode is a little bit of a departure from my genre, my genre. How do you say that word? But I'm going to talk about something that's really important for YouTubers, that I've noticed a lot of people aren't doing that I think they should do. And that is, I think YouTubers should have their own channel theme song. A lot of YouTubers are really good at doing an intro graphic. I know some people have followed my example and made a really cool professional 3D graphic like I did. And some people just go on Fiverr to get someone to make some like animated triangles or whatever. But most people don't have their own theme song. And so I want to show you guys how easy and fun it is to do that. So first we need some paper. We're going to do some brainstorming. You should get a pen. I like this one because it's blue. And first we're gonna just brainstorm some ideas. So in the middle of your paper, right, like if you could sum up your channel in 1 or 2 words, just write that in the middle. I'm a crafting channel, so I'm gonna write crafting in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. I'm going to like zoom in so that you can see it better. So my main idea is crafting. And so then around that, it's like a mind map. You want to write other things that are related to your channel. So colors, because I like colors. I like stickers. Sometimes we do stuff with paint. What else? Oh, you guys remember my note box, right? So let's write that one down. That's important. Oh shit. That's fine. And then when you're all out of ideas, you can think of like adjectives. So all these are nouns. You can think of some adjectives to write that also help you describe your channel. And the whole point here is to like get all the ideas out of your head and onto paper, because we're going to use this to write our song. So if I think of adjectives that describe my channel, I would say fun, influential, I was thinking influenza, but that's something else. Cool. So I think that's really good. Obviously, you can keep going and write as many words as you think of, but for me, I'm going to stop there. I think that's enough, because this is kind of just a demonstration. So next, you want to get a different piece of paper. It doesn't have to be the same color. I use a different color. And this is really important. There are actually 2 different ways you can write a song. And so I'm going to just draw this here to make a column, or 2 columns to show you. And so the first one is lyrics first. Lyrics. If you don't know what a lyric is, I can't help you. Oh shit. Hold on, I gotta zoom out. Whoop. Okay, that's wait. Oh my god. Why? There. Is that okay? I think that's good. Okay, so lyrics. So yeah, like I was saying, number 1, lyrics first and then the music. Or if you were a music major and you're good at stuff, maybe you can do the music first. Do 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 do, and then the lyrics. So I'm actually not sure which one I prefer, so I thought I would try both and just see which one I like better. So what pen do I want to use? I like this black one. So let's think of some lyrics. Like, I'm just gonna lay down some tracks here. So like, wow, it's craft crafting time. And you'll notice for my very first line, I just took, check this out, same word. Just take whatever your middle word is. Wow, it's crafting time. So like if your channel is about baking, maybe write, wow, it's baking time. Or if your channel is about reupholstering old chairs, wow, it's reupholstering old chairs time. Or if maybe you teach people how to like I don't know, Facebook ads. Wow, it's Facebook ads. Just whatever you do. I don't know. Okay, and so there's, I don't know if you study poetry, but there's like literally 37 different ways to write a poem, and lyrics and a poem are kind of the same thing. So I can decide if I want to try to rhyme the word time for my next line or just do something completely different. So I think I like, wow, it's crafting time. Let's get all our stuff and glue it together. Okay, I think that's super good. Because let me show you, this is a hack for when you're writing lyrics for your YouTube channel. So the first line is like what you do, and then the next line is like also what you do, but in a different way. So, wow, it's crafting time. Let's get all our stuff and glue it together. So in poetry, we can now, for our third line, we can now either rhyme time or we could rhyme together. For me, I'm going to decide to try to rhyme time. But what rhyme? Lime. Sime. It's not a word. Time. No. Vime. Okay, so this is what I like to do when I can't think of a word that rhymes. I go through the alphabet and I'm like, I'm, bime, sime, dime, I'm, fime, gime, heim, ein, jime, kine, lime. I don't like that one, but it rhymes, so I'm going to write it down. Lime, mime, nime, I'm, pime, quime, rhyme. Oh, word rhyme. Rhymes with time. Time, I'm, vime, wime. Okay, so that's it. It's not a lot. So let's run through some ideas here and see what sounds good. Wow, it's crafting time. Let's get all our stuff and glue it together. You don't need a dime. Oh, that's good. You don't need a dime. So I skipped a step. I'm sorry. I apologize. When you're writing lyrics and you're trying to do a poetic structure, it's good to match the syllable. So look, wow, it's crafting time. That's 5 syllables. So I want to do the same number of syllables. So it doesn't cost a, wait, it won't cost a dime. That's it. It won't cost a dime. And this is actually not true. It's a lie because art supplies are not free. And I don't have any sponsors yet. But so this is a lie, but it sounds good and it makes people happy, so you should probably keep that in. All right, now for the next line, I want to try to rhyme together and get the syllable count. You guys, I'm sorry if this is a long video. Like, being creative like this, sometimes it's a real process. Let's count the syllables. Let's get all our stuff and glue it together. So it's 11. It's 11. I'm going to write that here. 11 syllables. And we want to rhyme together. Oh my God, what rhymes with together? Feather. I guess I'll go through the alphabet again. Other, beather, kether, dether. Tetherball? No, that rhymes with, or that ends with ball. Gather. Gather? No. Heather? Like, it could be like the girl's name, or like, I think it's also a plant. Heather, cheddar, kether, leather. Leather. Wow, these are all craft supplies. That's actually really clever. Nether, nether, nether? Like the Netherlands? Wait, no. Heather, NMMOPQ, Quether, Rether, Sether, Tether, Tether. This list is actually making me a little bit uncomfortable. Tether, other, feather, weather, weather. Oh, that's a good one. Nobody can complain about that. Okay, so the only word that makes me feel comfortable right now is weather. So I'm going to put an asterisk next to it. And let's try to make a line that's 11 syllables and ends with weather. You can do it no matter the weather. Okay, so I need one more. You can do it no matter, you know what, whatever, it's 10 is fine. You can do it no matter the weather. All right, let's just read it over and see how it sounds. Wow, it's crafting time. Let's get all our stuff and glue it together. It won't cost a dime. You can do it no matter the weather. And then I think that's enough. So, and then like to end, do a sound effect like Shazam. Shazam. And then this is a shortcut, a hack. Just write the name of your channel. Shazam crafting with Carla. Was super good. So we have the lyrics. So now we have to do the music for it. So let's try singing it.
Wow, it's crafting time. Let's get all our stuff and glue it together. It won't cost a dime. You can do it no matter the weather. Shazam! Crafting with Carl.
So I don't like that one at all. I'm really unhappy with that one. Let's try something different. Like, wow, it's crafting time. Let's get our stuff and glue it together. It won't cost a dime. You can do it no matter the weather. Shazam! Crafting with Carla. So I like that one a lot more. So for my music, like I don't know how to write music. Like I know you do this, but beyond that I don't really know. So for myself, here I'm just going to write cute voice. That's my music. That's number one, my lyrics. Okay, so that's number one, and now we're going to try something completely different and start with the music. So maybe I don't know if you remember from music class in like kindergarten where you just did some rhythm where you're like a steady beat, or maybe like a, what is it, like a minuet. So I think that second one is good. So dun 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 dun. That's gonna be my music. So my music will be like a minuet. Is that how you spell it? Minuet. So dun 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 dun. Okay, now we have to think of words that go to that sound. Crafting time. I feel like there should be a line before that. Hey everybody. Hey everybody. It's crafting time. Hey everybody, it's crafting time. Get your stuff. Let's make crafts. Hey everybody, it's crafting time. Get your stuff. Let's make crafts. That's super good. And so I'm going to end the same way with a sound effect. Bang! It doesn't have to be the same sound effect from your first one. Feel free to be a little creative here. And then the name of your channel. All right, let's sing the whole thing. Hey everybody, it's crafting time. Get your stuff. Let's make crafts. Bang! Crafting with Carla. Okay, that's pretty good. And let's do this one again. Oh my God, I wish I knew how to write music. I don't remember the tune. Wow, it's oh yeah, cute voice. Wow, it's crafting time. Let's get all our stuff and glue it together. It won't cost a dime. You can do it no matter the weather. Shazam! Crafting with Carla. I actually think I like that one a little better. So I think this will be my new, what is it called? Intro song. No, what did I call it? Theme song. My new theme song. Wow, it's crafting time. Let's get all our stuff and glue them together. It won't cost a dime. You can do it no matter the weather. Shazam! Crafting with Carla! I think it's super good. You guys, this was a long video. I thank you for your patience. I hope this was really helpful. I'm not going to do an example of like somebody else's, but if you just post in the comments that you would like me to try to write a theme song for your YouTube channel, I will certainly, try. So that's it. I hope this helped a lot. I'm really excited to find out what you guys do with yours. Okay, bye.